Fried chicken wings. Deep-fried oils damage arteries. High sodium strains kidneys. Excess calories promote obesity. Saturated fats increase cholesterol. Inflammatory oils harm gut lining. Raises cardiovascular risk. Mozzarella sticks. Deep-fried trans fats harm heart. High saturated fat increases LDL. Refined coating spikes insulin. Heavy digestion burdens liver. Excess sodium elevates BP. Promotes weight gain. Chili dog. Processed meat increases cancer risk. High sodium damages kidneys. Refined bun spikes blood sugar. Excess fat clogs arteries. Promotes visceral fat. Raises heart disease risk. Barbecue bacon pizza. Added sugar in barbecue sauce spikes insulin. Processed meat increases inflammation. High fat strains liver. High sodium stresses heart. Raises cholesterol levels. Promotes metabolic syndrome. Nachos with cheese. Processed cheese high in sodium. Refined corn chips spike glucose. Trans fats damage blood vessels. Excess calories cause fat gain. Artificial additives stress liver. Raises blood pressure. If you're serious about leveling up your health in 2026, hit that subscribe button and join the PreyoAEye family.